How to remove SQL Server 2008 in Windows 11. In this video, we are going to guide you that if you want to uninstall the SQL Server completely from Windows 11, how we can do this, and the procedure will be same from pretty much any Windows type. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So all you have to do is just go to the start menu right here, and right here control panel. Click on uninstall a program, and there you will see a bunch of files showing the name SQL Server 2008, but the main one is the first one, this one. So what you can do is just firstly uninstall that, and this will take most of the time. And once we uninstall that, after that the rest of the file will just be deleted in a click. So let's do this. Just select this one, first file, click uninstall, yes, and remove. And if it shows you some error, you might need to restart the computer and then try the uninstallation process again. Click OK. And let's choose the instance. It is this SQL 2008. Click next. And since we have selected all the features while installing that, we will uninstall all the features as it is. Select all, click next, and click next again. And it will show you the summary of uninstallation files. Click next, and it will start the removal process. So it will take some time, so sit back and relax while it do that. So that's done. Click next, and we have removed this file. Now it will show you this message. Close this, and the rest of the files is pretty simple to delete. Just click it once, click on uninstall, and as soon as you press OK, it will be removed from here. So just do the same for all of the files. Some of them take more time, some of them take less time. So we can quickly remove all of these. And if you have other SQL versions, just delete that as well. And that's it, guys. This is how you can completely remove SQL Server 2008 from Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for all the future videos, and I will see you in the next one.